let's make this quick. If you have a planner, you know it's heavy, it's hard to store, you don't want to pull it out from places. So here's this one solution, something I came up with. Just pull it out here. These are drawer slides that I pulled off into the project. I know it's a little crazy. Here we are. I have a sport for it that goes right there. I don't waste your time. But I can just plane right from back there behind the phone, right through out the door. Nice long plane place. It goes back in easy. Just close it up, push it back in. Bob's your uncle. Happy shopping.